see what we get, guys. Probably gonna be nothing. Right, I've got 23 packs saved. I'd say 5 are actually good. 2 rare players pack, mega pack, Premier League premium players pack, and an 85 plus rare times 5. So hopefully at least 1 or 2 of them decent. Drop a comment in the chat. Let's see what this gives me. Oh, German. Cam. Who's that? What's his name? What? Thanks for the support, love. All these packs saved for absolutely nothing. Listen, I've got 2 rare player packs. This premium Premier League player pack, and if I don't get something in that 85 plus pack, I don't think I'm playing FIFA again. Come on. Yeah, all Team of the Years in packs. That's why I've been waiting. They just came out at 6 o'clock, all of them. What's this? Italian? Left wing. Who's this? Oh, what's his name? It's 85 rated. Not bad. Not bad. Little bit of fodder. I want to do the Kocha SBC. Premium gold player. Come on, man. Don't know what Moini's on about in the chat. Like I said, normally she'll be opening it and probably having better pack luck than me. Italian goalkeeper Donnarumma. God. 85 rated, I think. Is he? Yeah. Man like KSI in the pack. Oh my days. Oh Lord. Please. Yeah, it's not good. Busquets was like David Silva. Who's that? Isco. What is he? 87. Got that one wrong. He's 84 rated. Oh no. 4 packs down. 5 packs to go. I'll go Premier League pack first. Oh. Come on. I'm standing up because I know I'm not going to get anything. And I'm probably going to want to punch something like that. Oh my days. I've got the flipping slabbered himself. And I'm seeing people get Kante and Team of the Years from this. And this is what I get. Man like Saka doing bits. Man like Reece James. Oh my days. This is a disaster. I'm going to open rare players, prime gaming, another rare players, and then the 85 plus. This is a rare players pack. Just give me a walkout, EA. Is that a walkout? I don't even know. English. Who's that? Centre mid. Fucking probably Milner. Madison. Who wants Madison? 86 rated. Decent fodder, but you're shit. It's not even tradable, is it? Oh, days. Prime gaming pack. Please. I don't know why it's all blue and stuff and purple and stuff. Yeah, it's nothing. No way is that Messi. Bruh. Oh my days, I thought I had Messi. Oh, that's deep. That's really deep. I thought that was Messi. That's not fair. I really thought that was Messi. Why are you laughing, Dre? That's deep. Oi! Oi! That's decent fodder. Muller and Di Maria. Alright, here we go. Player pick. Come on. Give me something good. Oh my lord. This game is terrible. Di Maria and Muller, I don't mind. They'll go into my Kocha. But I really thought that was Messi. So that's deep. Alright. Oh god. If I get nothing from my 85 plus, I'm just giving up on FIFA. I got Rivaldo as my icon that I got 2 years ago. It's terrible. Who the hell are you? What's his name? Taylor. 87 rated. I don't mind the 87 rateds. I don't mind that for my SBCs, but wow, there's nothing else in there. Alright guys, this is what it all comes down to. The 85 plus rare players 5 pack. Oh my god, I'm praying. Please. 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 That's not a walkout, is it? Is that Team of the Year? No way is that Team of the Year. Nah, he's not cause. Oh my god, I got Bruno Fernandes. Bruno! Nah, clip that shit. Clip that shit in the chat, dog. If you don't know, I'm a Man United fan. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno! Nah, listen. Nah, clip that shit. Who's in the chat? I need to find out how to clip this. Oh my god. Wait, Shalom, don't be chatting shit, bruv. Do you know how much this guy's worth? He's worth money, but I'm not selling him. I don't think I can. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. Well, that was a disappointment. My man's got Bruno Fernandes. Oh, baby. Ooh, baby. Bruno. Hey, you love to see it. You really do love to see it, don't you? And Harry was like, oh, you've got no one. You've got some terrible hacks. Shut your mouth. Bruno. Alright guys, thank you for coming to my TED Talks, my Bruno Talks. Look at this beast! Oh. I'm jumping up and down. I'm gonna run around my balcony naked, that's how happy I am. Bruno! Rashan, was there any Arsenal players in the team of the year? Sorry, could you remind me, was there any Arsenal players in the team of the year? Might check. Arsenal players in the team of the year? No! No! Bruno! I think I should start streaming my packs a bit more. Granted, this one's for you. I know how much you love him, mate. It's your favourite player in the world, isn't it? That's one's for you, GK. Check him out on Instagram, GK230i, car page. Boom. Boom. You know why I got Bruno? Because Andre's in my stream and he's Portuguese and he gave me the Portuguese luck. Bruno! Man said quick, so I'll bang you in your face. 97 rated Bruno Fernandes. This is my team. Look at this beast of a team. Watch. You know, like that man's got Messi, Okocha, Maradona. I'm joking. That's not really my team. It's my lone team for streams. Nah. You are mad, Dre. You're mad. You're mad. No one is taking my Bruno. Wait. You know when you gotta go on here just to admire it a bit more, and you gotta go. Oh, okay. Where is it? You gotta go team of the year, and then you press search, and you see Bruno Fernandes.